भाषा नीति के बारे में एमडीएम के सांसद दुरईपाई को कहते हैं, तमिलनाडु में इस बात पर बहुत बहस चल रही है कि तमिलनाडु को त्रिभाषा नीति की जरूरत है या दो भाषा नीति की। दो भाषा नीति के कारण तमिलनाडु उत्तरी राज्यों से बहुत आगे निकल गया है। दो भाषा नीति के कारण ही हमारे तमिलनाडु के छात्रों ने लगभग सभी क्षेत्रों में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया है। हम हिंदी के खिलाफ नहीं हैं, हम किसी भी भाषा के खिलाफ नहीं हैं। हम केवल हिंदी को थोपने, हिंदी को अनिवार्य बनाने के खिलाफ हैं।
There has been a huge debate within Tamil Nadu whether Tamil Nadu needs a three-language policy or a two-language policy. Tamil Nadu has progressed much ahead than the northern states because of the two-language policy. Our Tamil Nadu students have excelled in almost in all fields because of the two-language policy. Because of the two-language policy, Tamil Nadu students, youngsters have the English proficiency. You just go to, I'm not saying anything bad about the northern states, but the reason why we are good with English is because of the two-language policy. At the same time, we are not against Hindi. We are not against any language. We are only against the imposition of Hindi, making Hindi compulsory. My only probably now question to the BJP leaders is, they ask, why not a third language? A third language will probably help a child. I agree with you. But why restrict the third language to only Indian languages? Our Prime Minister Modi talks about he talks about Viksit Bharat. He says that we are the fifth largest economic power. He wants India to be the third largest economic superpower very shortly. We are all with Prime Minister Modi ji. My only thing is, learning a foreign language, learning French, Mandarin, Germany is going to help our youngsters. Probably learning a global language is going to help us. Why deny them? When you say like why deny a student learning a third language, I'm asking you the same question. Earlier in Tamil Nadu, almost all schools had probably they gave opportunities for students to learn French or any foreign language, but now it is not like that because of the policy change. My only thing is, a request is, don't impose languages. Leave it to the decision of the state governments. Probably let the public decide, let the students decide, let the parents decide. Don't impose it. This should not be a political issue. And as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, the Tamil Nadu has progressed much ahead than the northern states. There are a lot of reasons, and one of the main reasons is the two-language policy, that is English and Tamil. At the same time, if a student wants to learn Hindi, there's no objection. Almost all the schools over here offer Hindi. They can learn it.